PT WORTHFIND Travel Goods is the factory of Xiamen WORTHFIND Company built in Indonesia. The Phase 1 factory covers an area of about 10,000 square meters, with more than 25 bags and soft luggage production lines, employees more than 1,000 people. Phase 2 factory is being pushed forward in an orderly manner. It is expected to be completed and put into production in 2026. The factory is located in Jepara Regency, Indonesia. The plant is 60 kilometers away from the port and airport of Semarang. The location is with an excellent geographical location and unique human resource advantages. As a local bonded factory in Indonesia, PT WORTHFIND Travel Goods has a customs office. The Indonesian customs officer is permanently stationed in the factory. In this case, Indonesia Custom provides faster and smoother specialized services, such as online declaration, fast customs clearance, customs assistance, etc. The raw material container was imported from China. After the initial customs inspection and checklist verification by customs officials, materials will be stored in a raw material warehouse. Our in-depth cooperation with the local government in Indonesia has brought us more convenient and efficient services, which have significantly improved the operational efficiency of the factory and facilitated smooth import and export trade. In Indonesia, WORTHFIND has many years of experience in production management. Currently, our Indonesia factory imports main materials such as fabrics, zippers, metal from China, while foams, webbing, carton are purchased locally in Indonesia. The incoming materials area is used to store the locally sourced materials, which are inspected and approved by the Income Material Quality Checker (IQC) before they are sent to the material warehouse. This area is designated as the inspection area for third-party processed materials, where full inspections are carried out to ensure that third-party processed materials meet the quality standards. Under WORTHFIND's strong management of the supply chain, we take the advantages of raw materials both in China and Indonesia. We successfully transfer the production skills and quality standards from China to Indonesia to make sure both factories are in same level. In the cutting area of WORTHFIND Indonesia factory, we configured 12 sets of punching machines. After being bundled and labeled by the workers, the cut materials are neatly stacked and then sent to the material supermarket, ready to be used in the production line. In the material preparation area, WORTHFIND Indonesia set up the pre-processes such as zipper cutting, slider threading, webbing cutting, etc. to be prepared for production. Meanwhile, we use around 100 sets advanced computer sewing machines to improve production efficiency and ensure the production quality through automation equipments. The sewing lines are the main production area, with a total of 25 production lines. Each line equipped with about 30 skilled sewing workers, total nearly 1,000 equipments. All the production are in lean production lines, which only takes 4 hours from beginning to finished products. During the production process, a PQC is always on the line for quality inspection. Every piece of finished product must be inspected by FQC before it is packed to ensure high-quality delivery. Every 5 production lines are equipped with a process engineer from China, who is responsible for training team leaders and employees in each production line, optimizing the process, solving technical problems, etc. Our OQC team will inspect full-packed products according to AQL standard in order to pick up defective products and ensure that the quality of each product is up to standard. Here is the land for Phase 2 factory in Indonesia, which is wholly owned by WORTHFIND. It covers an area of 20,000 square meters, which is planned to accommodate 3,000 workers. In the future, after Phase 2 is finished, we will continuously improve the production ability and integrated advantages, utilizing the advantages of scale effect to meet every customer's requirement.